The FNIRSI DSO152 Handheld Oscilloscope offers a remarkable real-time sampling rate of 2.5 million samples per second, paired with a bandwidth of 200 kHz, making it ideal for capturing detailed signal data. Its full trigger function, which includes automatic, normal, and single modes, ensures that it can effectively handle both periodic analog and aperiodic digital signals. Featuring a 2.8-inch high-definition LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240, this oscilloscope provides a clear and easy-to-read interface. The portable, lightweight design of the FNIRSI DSO152 makes it a convenient tool for professionals in the maintenance and research and development industries. With its efficient one-key automatic setting feature, users can quickly measure waveforms without the hassle of manual adjustments, enhancing overall usability. The oscilloscope is equipped with a built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery, allowing for up to 4 hours of continuous use, and supports Type-C charging and data transfer.